Welcome to Finviz. In this video, we will show you how to use the Finviz Compare Tool. Wall Street doesn't guess, they compare. This is how investment bankers value a stock. And now you can do it instantly using Finviz. Start by typing in the stock you want to analyze. Above the chart, click Compare. Finviz automatically generates a peer group for each company. You can remove any stock by clicking the X or add new ones by typing them in directly. Now you've built your comp set in seconds. Next, choose your time frame. 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, year to date, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, or select a custom date range. Each stock is color coded so you can instantly see which stocks are outperforming, which ones are lagging, and who the winners are. Below the chart, you'll see monthly performance data, monthly returns, annual performance, and total return over the selected period. This gives you both the big picture and the detailed breakdown. Now, switch to fundamentals. Select the metrics you want to see. Valuation multiples like price to earnings and price to book, margins, return on equity, income statement items like revenue, profits, or EPS, balance sheet data like assets, debt, and equity, cash flow metrics, many to choose from. Then choose annual or quarterly data. Choose line chart, bar chart, or stack chart. Choose time frame of 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, or 10 year. And compare the fundamentals. Now switch to ranking. Here you see how each company stacks up against the rest. Price, valuation and multiples, income, earnings, EPS, profits, dividends, performance, and much more. Next to many of the numbers, you'll also see a ranking showing how each company compares to the rest of its sector. You can choose to turn on or off some of the settings, like show rank or show high-low. Just click on the top right corner settings. This is the fastest way to quickly analyze a stock and compare it to multiple stocks or opportunities. This is exactly how investment bankers and equity analysts make decisions on billion-dollar deals. Everything you need to compare stocks, performance, valuation, financials, peers, all in one place. This is how institutions analyze stocks. Now you can too. Thank you for using Finviz.